Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be showing this. It's an old Airfix kit of the BAE Systems Harrier 2 G7. This is a gift set because it comes with 8 paints, some glue and 2 brushes. This is in 1/72 scale. I've got to look at that much to find this because I found this in a store in our local market here in Plymouth. And on it cost me about £12. Which, if this was re-released, it would probably be a lot much more. So you've got a lovely picture here of the model. 2 flying hour tokens. Bit of history. So it's got 102 parts. On the side, it's a skill of 3, so it's the second highest. So let's get it open. Okay. Looks like the box was upside down. So here you've got the paints. Number 1 and number 0 paintbrush, old tube of cement, which not what we'll be using. I'll be using Tammy Extra Thin Cement. Flight stand with the Airfix logo, stand, waterside transfers or decals or decals, however you like to call them. Here are the parts. Looks like the bag got opened during transit, but it was all sealed up. So the parts are quite nice and quite neat. If I can get it out. It's too much hassle to get it out, but parts look nice. Not too much flash. For people that don't know, flash is the excess part of the plastic on the model, so not too bad. Not too bad for quite an old model. Information about the Airfix Club, which I am a part of. So see what do we have here. So we've got the instructions, the decals, got them upside down. Nicely detailed decals, no silver underneath in the part at all. Quite good. Right, what do we have here? It looks like it's an old Airfix catalogue. Like the Spitfire, Mosquito, 109, Focke 190, another Spitfire, Short Sterling, some others. There, if I started naming them, this video will be long enough. So it shows the codes and where to get them. So you've got military and civilian, and gift set and mini kits. Then on the back, got all the other kits. They do like tanks and stuff like that. Good bit there. Does it show when it was made? No, it doesn't. It might say on the transfers. Nope. Instructions. Big A4 booklet. Right, all the safety information. So you've got the build there, so you've got the cockpit, engine details. You can see there's quite a lot of things going on. That's what I've noticed with these older kits. Windows up, wheels up, wheels down, armament. No, so this up to be a high, so this might be a 2001 kit. Right, so you've got the decal placement there, you've got also got the painting there of a variant of number 20 Reserve Squadron in whittling in the UK in 2001, so this might be a 2001 kit. Okay, yeah, quite a decent kit there. Let's put all the stuff back. And if anyone's getting into modelling, this is a good place to go, because with the Airfix Club, if you get enough Airfix points, which is the things there, then you can redeem it. You can get a free model kit. So good armament now, good assortments. And one tip that I think everyone should know when building model kits: make sure before you build them to give them a wash and warm, just with a little drop of vinegar, because on the model kit there's some oil from the age from the releasing that they use. So give that a wash, or else the paint won't stick. But overall, everything's all intact, and the final model of this age pretty much in its box with no missing parts, and the box not even open. I'm quite happy that I paid £12 for it. I'm actually quite happy. And currently at the moment I'm building another Harrier, but it's just a GR1. So I'm currently still in the process of building that. So, and that's in 1/32 scale, so that's 32 times smaller than the actual aircraft. Oh, just ripped the box bit there, but ah well. But overall, I'm actually quite happy with this. Oh yeah, sort of forgot to show it on the back. It should show you how the display stand goes, and overall, quite happy with this. I can't wait to get building it. So, if you want to see what it looks like after it's finished building, then let me know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.